Welcome to Integrating a Schoolnet Assessment with Canvas. This video explains how to link a Schoolnet assessment to a Canvas assignment. You can use a new test or copy an existing one. Students will access the test through Canvas and results will appear in both applications. With a Canvas integration, you can include any items supported in Schoolnet. The following situations will prevent a test from being linked. Linking will not work when the user does not have rights to schedule and assign the test. It has gradebook sharing turned on. The test is using the legacy online test delivery platform instead of TestNav. Students have already begun taking the test through Schoolnet, or secure tester is required. Start with a test draft in Schoolnet that is ready to schedule. Open the Test Properties section. You will need this point value later. Click Ready to Schedule and then OK. Click Schedule. And now enter the test dates. Be sure to select TestNav. Click Edit Assignment and assign the test, and be sure to save. Publish to TestNav, and once it's published, log into Canvas. Once you're in Canvas, create a new assignment. The point value must match the test in Schoolnet. Set to External Tool. Click Find. And select Home-Based Schoolnet. Your text will vary. Load in a new tab should be selected. Add your assignment dates and click Save. You'll see a prompt to load in a new window. And a spot to put in the online test passcode. Make sure that you want to link these. You can't undo this. The student experience. Students will log into Canvas and select their assignment. They're prompted to load the test in a new window. And from this point on, the student experience is exactly the same as with other Schoolnet tests.